funny story. I pull into the bait shop this morning, and there's a truck and a boat sitting at the fuel island. And the truck looked familiar, but I couldn't really place it. And I was like, where does this jackass think he's going fishing? Automatically assuming that he's going to go fish where we're fishing, and that, you know, he's going to crowd us or whatever. Because for good or for worse, I just assumed that that's what everyone's going to do. They do it ice fishing, they do it in the boats. People like to crowd other people. So anyways, I grabbed the bait bucket, I opened the door to go inside, and who's standing there? Mike. Mike is who we're fishing with today. So the jackass, I was wondering where he's fishing. Well, I know exactly where he's fishing. He's fishing with me on the Wisconsin River today. So that was kind of funny. But today's rarity, guys. I have nothing going on. I dropped the boat off this morning at the welder. He's going to build a little platform so we can put the trolling motor on it. Won't be done till hopefully tomorrow. So we got today to fish, and hopefully the fish are biting. I don't know how it's going to be. It snowed last night, so current's not raging. I think it's right around 6,400, somewhere in there. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Alright, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to get my butt to the boat launch. And next time you see us, we'll be fishing. It's like 12:30. We finally got a fish in the boat. And a nice one at that. I'll take a muskie any day. So we're marking fish here and there, but we cannot get them to bite for the life of us. We've had some misses. We've had a lot of snags. Moved around a lot. I don't know what it is. But for some reason, when I fish with Mike, it's just muskies is all we can catch. But I forgot to mention earlier, guys, don't forget, we're doing the giveaway for the Okuma bait feed reel this month. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're entered for that. And we're going to try to catch some more fish, but maybe the right species now. Or more muskies, Mike?
I'll go for it.
Yeah.
Equal opportunity angler.
We'll see what happens. Service members. I was telling him, you know, of all the people I met while in the military, I was like, dude, you are like one of my favorites. And he commented back and he's like, I will never forget that time we had to go take that fuel tanker down and you set the camera up on the dash. And he's like, and I was like, what are you doing? And you're like, if we get blown up, I want it on film.
Yeah. At least my story will be told.
It's, oh no, Mike! Forgot to reset. I can't believe I forgot to reset.
Oh no.
That's why I don't like doing the loop, because I forget.
I thought that would cost me my minnow.
Oh no.
That sucks.
I can't believe this. Yep, it's not going to be on there. It's going to be gone. No proof, no pictures, no nothing.
Should have.
I'm so bummed right now.
Yeah, that sucks. Shit.
Now I got to catch it again.
There's no other. No, there's no other way. I have to catch it again.
There's no other option. That's it.
We're gonna be out here till dark.
What are the chances of catching the same muskie twice with the exact same bait?
I would tell you what, with a muskie, it's a lot more chance of that than any other fish I think that swims.
You know?
I'm bummed out now.
He's gonna be like, nah, I ain't falling for that twice in one day, dickhead.
Nope, not today, Satan.
Who does this moron think I am? I guess if you're gonna lose the footage of a muskie, at least it was only like what, maybe a 32 incher.
No, I'm still butthurt.
At least it wasn't like a 54.
Or like a 30-inch walleye or something.
Right.
I'd have been traumatized.
100-pound catfish. Got him again.
Are you shitting me?
Oh, I got off! No!
Oh! You think that's that same one?
Yes, that was another one, dude. That was just solid, just thunk.
Holy hell. Hey, I'm marking him right there.
Yep. Told you, man. The same one. That was him again. So we're out here fishing. I catch a muskie. It's probably about a 32 incher. We didn't bump it. We just caught it and get it back in the water. And I forgot to hit the button on the cameras because they're on loop mode for 5 minutes. So most likely that fish caught is not on film right now. So we're sitting here fishing, making jokes about the chances of catching the same fish again. And I hook into it again. We don't know for sure, but it was definitely a muskie.
It was definitely a muskie.
We picked it up on the side scan after it broke me off. So
It ain't over till it's over.
I don't know. I'm about ready to cry right now. Because I always say if it ain't on film, it didn't happen, right? What is that?
I don't know what that is.
What is that? That ain't him.
It's a shadow.
Yeah. I don't know. Anyways, so I'm going to retie, and I'm going to try to catch this guy for the third time.
Throw a leader on.
We should put a leader on. All right.
That's a fish.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he bit me off.
No! Oh, he was there again. Oh, man.
What the hell?
What is going on?
I think he bit me off. I mean, it
Yeah.
broke off.
Yeah.
Let me
That's
look.
funny.
Make sure it wasn't a weak knot. Yeah, we were gonna start our own hunting DVD or whatever. I don't know. We call ourselves the Heroin Addicts.
That's funny. Finally, we got a fish. Oh my God, it's a giant! It's a perch! Put that in the net. Net that. That's a nice perch.
Actually, it is.
Thank you, Mike's mom.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mike's mom. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You better kiss that thing.
Gotta. Thank you.
All right, we're wrapping it up. Mike wants to keep fishing, and I'm begging him, crying, begging him to let me go home because it's cold out here. So he caught a perch. I caught a muskie, which you probably ain't gonna see because I screwed up. So that's the end of that. Now we're gonna go figure out how to get out of here. We're gonna keep the cameras rolling because it's probably gonna be a blooper reel. Yeah. All right. that's gonna be a wrap. It was tough fishing today. I mean, we were marking fish, we could not get them to bite all morning, just nothing. I mean, we had a few bites that we didn't connect on. They're definitely short striking. And then I caught that muskie. I'm hoping it's still on the footage, but I don't think it is. I got these cameras on a 5-minute loop, and I think 5 minutes was passed before I remembered to save it. So we're going to change it to a 20-minute loop going forward. But then Mike caught that perch, and that was literally it. That was our day. So I don't think I'm going to get back out this week. I wanted to, but I'm not even going to get a boat battery for the boat until Friday. So if I do go, I won't have a trolling motor, which I haven't had to this point anyways. I guess it's not really an excuse. We'll see. Maybe Thursday if things work out. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and get entered to win that Okuma bait feed reel. See you next time.